guys, welcome to Summer Part. Today's video we are going to introduce the crystal gear knob. This crystal gear knob is for new Land Rover Defender, and the one we can find from the car it's leather one, and we are going to upgrade the gear knob by the crystal design. And we can find most customer ask me how to install this one, so today will be a installation guide for you guys reference. First of all, we will find the box we received is including the gear knob, and this is the bracket, and this also the plug bracket, and also we have the engine start button cover for you guys to replacement, and of the tools to install this one, and they're also coming with some tools. This is for the remove the screws, so follow my videos to check the step by step how to install the gear knob by handmade. Okay.